Hey guys, it's Panda Man, and today I have a challenge for anybody that can do this. So, what I've got here is a bunch of foam that I got out of boxes and packages because we were cleaning out our boxes and stuff yesterday. So I found some of this stuff. So, we're going to be building a glider out of it. See, I got this piece, which looks perfect for an elevator, and then the wings, and I could also make some box fuselage out of this big piece right here. So, this foam is pretty flimsy, so I'm going to be using a lot of barbecue skewers and stuff, but it's really light. So, let's get slashing. Okay, so now I have the two side plates for our box fuselage and the bottom piece right here with a tapered off end. So these pieces will bend with it, and I guess I'll just start gluing now. I'll be back with you when I'm done. Okay, now we have the fuselage. So what I have to do next is take this piece right here, which is going to be the wing, and make it into an under-cambridge airfoil. So I'm going to try and bend it on the table first, but if that doesn't work, because this is pretty brittle, I'll just cut it, like right there, and glue it at an angle. Although gluing is kind of tricky with this stuff, because it likes to melt. So, I'll try the table right now. Doesn't seem like it's working, so instead I'm trying to score it. Like that. And then on the other side, I'm going to put some duct tape. Sort of like with control surfaces and stuff. And put tape on the other side. Make sure it doesn't break. There. I'm going to leave it at about this angle. So, I'm going to fill in these cracks with glue. I'll be able to use this. No, it's too big. How about this? That works, okay. So, then I'm gonna run a bead of glue all the way down it. So remember this position, and then some weight on it. Okay, and now I'll get another piece of tape. Okay, so now I have two little pieces for the winglets. I bet this thing's ready now. So I'm gonna take these off. Okay, how's it look? Pretty good, okay. So, now, see how that looks on the plane. Plane's a little fat, isn't it? Should be better. So, anyways, I definitely see that a little. So, now, we'll take my pieces, set my wing down like that, and I'm gonna want about that angle. This is gonna be just a non-powered glider, so I'm not gonna have any ailerons or anything, so I need plenty of dihedral. So, I'll grab my knife and cut an angle into this. Sort of like a bevel. And like that one. Okay, that's pretty good. So, do the same with the other one. Use that for reference. I'm gonna have a lot to clean up after this. So how's this look? Angle. Okay, they're about the same. So now I'm gonna glue these on. Where's my glue? Here. So we'll just put some glue on this. Okay, so now we have the full set of wings. It's got an under-cambered airfoil and some just flat, what should I call it? Polyhedral thingies. And there's our fuselage, so I'm gonna go grab some popsicle sticks so that I can glue them to the leading edge of the wing, because that'll help with wing folding and stuff, since this foam's very brittle. So, sorry about the lighting, but here's popsicle sticks. Let's go back downstairs. So, let's see how many popsicle sticks we're gonna need. 1. Okay, I'm gonna make this because these are gonna snap and stuff, so it's 2. 3, 4, looks like we need 5. Hi, Brennan. Okay, so we're going to put 5 of these popsicle sticks on the wing. This is all foam from boxes.
Why are you making
A glider.
Is he gonna glide like a birdie?
Hopefully. That's the goal. Bren, you want to go do your 30 seconds of blend or something with Elliot?
That right there. I'm gonna get closer so I can see him better.
Better's a liar.
Yep. Hey, Elliot. How you doing? Why do you look guilty, Elliot? What is it? You're not guilty.
Okay, so now I have the popsicle sticks all over the leading edge, and I also put 2 barbecue skewers in the top for extra support, and these barbecue skewers in the polyhedral to make sure they stay at the same angle. So, it might be a little over the top, but I don't know. This foam's pretty brittle. So, next I gotta work on the stabilizers and stuff in the back. So, I've got this line right here because this is going to be the horizontal stabilizer and this one's going to be the vertical. So, it's all going to be right here on the back. Just gotta cut this real quick. Okay, so we're up at the top of the hill. I got my plane ready, put some nose weight in it. I used the old rubber band trick for the wing because I feel like glue would be too flimsy on this glue. On this foam. Oh, there's a bunny. Anyways, so I'm up at the top of the hill. I'm gonna throw it. I have a tape measure in my pocket, so I'm gonna see how far it'll go. There's no wind. If I drop the grass, straight down. So, I'm going to grab this in my right hand and just throw it. I'm going to try that again. Don't want to go up, so I got to give it a different toss. One more time. Perfect. Okay, so that made it to the bottom of the hill. Maybe I gotta throw it a little harder. Let's go grab it. I'm gonna try again with the harder throw. See how that works. Hopefully I don't end up just doing a wing over and flowing into the ground, because this isn't built for that. Okay. Harder throw. Right there. So, I think if I give it a little up elevator by manipulating the stabilizer in the back, it'll go a little farther because it'll try going up instead of just going straight into the ground and not doing anything about it. So, I'm going to take this, I'm just going to curl it up. That. Okay, let's try that one more time. Last throw. Okay, that was my farthest one yet. So, let's grab the tape measure and I'll measure that and put it on screen right there, the distance. So, if you guys want to do this, you got to try and beat that. I'm at probably 10, 20 foot, I'd say 20 foot hill. So, try it from about that high up. So, I'm going to grab my plane, and that's the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more. The next video is going to have something to do with water, and see ya.